So guys, this Mi selfie stick tripod comes with a Mi selfie stick inside. There's the tripod, user manual. You get one unit inside. It retails for a price of 1200 rupees and it's manufactured in China. So no make in India. Peace. And apart from this, what else do you get? This selfie stick tripod also acts as a proper tripod. You can use it as a monopod by just expanding it, opening up the bottom legs. Just don't take it in any other way. Open up the bottom legs of the tripod, set it up properly, and you get a full monopod experience. Apart from this, what else do you get? You get a micro USB input port on it. The rod material is of aluminum alloy, so it's as sturdy as the planes which fly over Malaysia and disappear. Peace. It weighs just around 152 grams, has a maximum length of 420 mm. The internal battery is of 60 mAh and it's lithium ion battery, but apparently that does not matter because you're still going to click only pictures from this one. So what are the things that I don't like about this selfie stick tripod? First thing, it does not expand to a really long length, so it's just like only this much. And when you have a product which does not go to like really long range, then you don't get those sort of selfies where you can fit in a huge number of people. So you would be able to only take selfies with maximum like 10 people or so. You won't get really wide selfie shots from this one. That's the first con that I found. Other than that, I felt that this was a pretty good setup, easy to use, and it would work great with any phone which has a camera with a higher FOV, higher field of view. So any smartphone with a front camera which has a very nice wide angle field of view, you would get really good pictures on them. But for cameras like, for example, even the recent smartphones like OnePlus 6 etc. don't have really huge field of view on the front camera, and that would make taking wide selfies a challenge. Otherwise, if it had a really longer rod, like some people do, then it would be really good.
So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech content like this. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.